Hello everyone, happy February, and welcome to this month's News for You. I'm your host, Jack Press. Did you know that today making beautiful buildings is easier than ever? Torre Alva, or White Tower, is the tallest 3D printed building in the world. It is about 30 meters tall and about 7 to 9 meters wide. The tower stands in the tiny village of Moulins, Switzerland. Robots printed the tower using special concrete. They printed 32 tall white columns that hold up 4 floors. The tower was built so visitors could climb stairs and see the mountains. It also has a small theater at the top for shows and concerts. In the 1800s, Moulins was a busy town full of skilled workers. Candy makers, builders, and artists lived there and shared their talents with other countries. Today, the town is very quiet and has fewer than 15 people. The designers of Torre Alva hope that the tower will bring visitors, artists, and new life to the village. Whoa, can they build me a castle? This sounds cool. Though a big white tower for just 15 people is kind of strange. Well, that's all for today. Friends, my name is Jack Press, and I'll see you next month for some more News for You.